Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that's perfect for adventure lovers and content creators alike, the GoPro HERO13 Black Complete Accessory Bundle. We found this product online, and you can check the description for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the GoPro HERO13 Black? This powerhouse of a camera is designed to capture stunning action shots, whether you're mountain biking down a rugged trail or snorkeling in crystal clear waters. With its sleek design and advanced features, it's become a go-to choice for anyone serious about documenting their adventures. Let's talk about some of the standout features that make the HERO13 Black truly remarkable. First off, it boasts best-in-class 5.3K video quality. This means that the resolution is a whopping 91% higher than 4K and an incredible 665% more than 1080p. Whether you're shooting fast-paced action or breathtaking landscapes, every detail will be captured with stunning clarity. You can even extract breathtaking 24.7MP photos directly from your videos using the GoPro Quick app. Another fantastic feature is the burst Slo-Mo capability. This allows you to record clips at an astonishing 13x slow motion speed, giving you the chance to catch and savor those epic moments that often go unnoticed. Whether you're capturing a skateboard trick or the splash of a wave, this feature adds a cinematic flair to your footage. The HERO13 Black is not just about performance, it's built to withstand the rigors of outdoor adventures. It's rugged and waterproof up to 33 feet, making it perfect for capturing thrilling moments in the rain, snow, or even underwater. Plus, the water-repelling lens cover helps eliminate lens flare, ensuring your shots are always crystal clear. One of the most innovative aspects of this camera is its compatibility with HB series lenses. These lenses allow you to experiment with different shooting styles effortlessly. The ultra-wide lens mod is perfect for action-packed POV shots, while the macro lens mod lets you get up close and personal with your subjects. You can even use neutral density filters for adjusting lighting and adding beautiful motion blur. The camera automatically detects when a lens or filter is attached and adjusts its settings accordingly, which is a game changer for both amateur and professional creators. Now, who is the GoPro HERO13 Black suitable for? It's perfect for adventure enthusiasts, travel vloggers, sports lovers, and anyone who enjoys capturing high-quality videos and photos without the hassle of bulky equipment. Whether you're a seasoned filmmaker or just starting, this camera is user-friendly enough to cater to various skill levels. Practical use cases for the HERO13 Black are virtually limitless. Imagine documenting your hiking trips, capturing the thrill of a surfing session, or even filming family gatherings. The included accessories, like the handler floating hand grip and 2 Enduro batteries, ensure you're prepared for any situation. The curved adhesive mounts also allow you to secure the camera to various surfaces for unique angles and perspectives. To wrap up, the GoPro HERO13 Black Complete Accessory Bundle is an exceptional choice for anyone looking to capture life's adventures in stunning detail. With its robust features and high-quality performance, you can trust that you're investing in a reliable piece of equipment that will elevate your photography and videography game. Thanks for watching.